NCM Learning Center. Good morning, friends. Now I am going to discuss about how to convert the state space approach into trans function approach. It is a very important topic for GATE, IAS, and ISRO examination. The state space approach and trans function approach both is a mathematical representation of a system. By the approach, we can find the how the output changes for the given input changes mathematically. The trans function is defined as the ratio of Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input with zero initial condition. The trans function approach is suitable only for the linear system as well as the single input single output system. But the state space approach is suitable for nonlinear system as well as the multiple input multiple output system. Okay, here how to convert the state space approach into its equivalent trans function approach. The state space approach commonly represented by the state equation x dot differential equation x dot is equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t, where x of t states x1 x2 variable states. The output equation is represented as y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d u of t, general representation, where a is called a system matrix, B is input matrix, C is output matrix, D is feed forward matrix. If a system has feed forward element, then only the D will be a finite value, otherwise D will be 0. The trans function represented by the y of s by u of s, output by input, Laplace transform output by Laplace transform of input. Okay. The conversion formula, you should remember this formula when you are going to write an examination. Don't derive the conversion during the exam time. Just remember this formula. Okay. The formula is output by input is equal to C into Si minus A the whole inverse B plus D. Justification. Just apply the Laplace on the state equation. Laplace transform for the derivative is Laplace transform of dy by dt is equal to s into y of t. Similarly, s into y of s. So, s into x of s, derivative term. So, s into x of s, a into x of s plus b into u of s. The Laplace. Let us take this equation is 1. Apply the Laplace for the output equation. You will get y of s is equal to c into x of s plus d into u of s. My objective is to find the y of s by u of s. If we replace the x of s by u of s, we will easily get y of s by u of s. So we have to find the x of s in terms of u of s. So by using the equation number 1, find the x of s values in terms of u of s. Substitute the x of s values in the equation 2, you will get the y of s by u of s. So from equation 1, so take a into x of s left side, you will get s into x of s minus a into x of s is equal to b into u of s. Take x of s outside, so si minus a into x of s is equal to b into u of s. A is a single value, but a is a matrix. So we have to make the single value as matrix s into identity matrix. Identity matrix, the determinant of the identity matrix is 1. So Si is equal to S. So replace S is equal to Si. Now it will become a matrix, A also a matrix. Now find x of s. X of s is equal to Si minus A the whole inverse in B into U of s. Substitute this x of s values in equation 2. So we will get y of s is equal to C into Si minus A the whole inverse B into U of s plus du into U of s. Now find y of s by d of s. Take outside y of s and find the y of s by u of s is equal to C into Si minus A the whole inverse B plus D. This is the justification. For problem 1, state space representation is given. We have to convert its equivalent trans function. We know that general representation of the state equation is x dot is equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t. Output equation y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t. Compare these equations From the comparison, a is equal to minus 5, 0, 0, minus 1. This value is a. This is b value. B value is equal to 3, 1. This is a c value. C value is equal to 7, 0. This is x of t value. This is x of t. This is x dot g. This is x dot value. So d is equal to 0. That is no d times. So d is equal to 0. It means that there is no feed forward element in the system. Use this formula, conversion formula, the transfunctions y of s by u of s is equal to c into si minus the whole inverse b plus d. So d is equal to 0. So y of s by u of s is equal to c into si minus a the whole inverse into b. First find the si minus a the whole inverse value, then multiply with the c and b. We know that I is your identity matrix 1 0 0 1. The A matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix, so we take identity matrix as 2 cross 2 1 0 0 1. If A is 3 cross 3 matrix, we may choose identity matrix I is equal to 3 cross 3. So Si minus A is equal to S into 0 S 0 0 S Si matrix minus A matrix. So S minus of minus 5, so S plus 5, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, S minus of minus 1 0, S plus 1. This is Si minus A. We need Si minus A the whole inverse. If you don't know the matrix multiplication and matrix inversion, just refer the matrix mathematics matrix videos. For the calculation of inverse for 2 cross 2 matrix, just interchange the minors, this minors, and sign changes this diagonal element. Interchange this diagonal element and sign change the diagonal element divided by the determinant of the matrix. We will get the inverse. So here s plus 1 by s plus 1 into s plus 5, s plus 1 will cancel, so we will get 1 by s plus 5, 0 by anything 0, 0 by anything 0, s plus by divided by s plus 1 into s plus 5 is equal to 1 by s plus 1. You will get the Si minus A the whole inverse values. Now find the C into Si minus A the whole inverse value. C value is 7 0, Si minus A the whole inverse value is this values. Just multiply 7 into this plus 0 into this. Next column value 7 into this plus 0 into this. So 7 by s plus 5 plus 0, 7 into 0 0 plus 0, we will get 0. Okay, this is C into Si minus the whole inverse. It's a matrix multiplication, just matrix multiplication. Next find C into Si minus the whole inverse into B. So 7 into s plus 5 into 3 plus 0. So we will get 21 divided by s plus 5. This is the transfunction y of s by u of s is equal to 21 divided by s plus 5. This is the equivalent transfunction for the state space. Okay, if the matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix, you will get the second order equation. After finding the transfunction, we may find the time domain specification, peak time, rise time, settling time, overshoot, timing ratio value, natural frequency value. We can find. In some problems, the state space value is given. We go to find the timing ratio, natural frequency, or time domain specification. That type of problems, first you have to convert the state space equation into transfunction, then find the whatever required. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share. See you next time.